It's the final 5 grow bags. Let's get them all transplanted and finish this all off. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well and a happy Friday to you all. It is Friday the 3rd of July 2026 and it's day 138 of the Chilli grow up. Everything's looking beautiful. It's about 20 degrees at the moment. Apparently we've got a heat wave coming in on Monday, so great. But yeah, everything's looking alright here. I think we're going to give everybody a bit of water today, just because the top's dry. As you can see there, the soil's a bit dry. Just a splash of water, give them a little drink, get them hydrated. They're probably thirsty. So for today's video, we've got a few plants. I'm going to change that Scotch Bonnet MOA, put it into a grow bag, the Dreamcatcher into a grow bag, and I believe that's a Cayenne, no, Kashmiri Mirch, into a grow bag, as well as 2 of the Mirch Masalas. That makes the 5 up there, and then all these other Mirch Masalas that are in cups are going to go into bigger pots like these ones here, and any leftover will go into the regular smaller brown pots, and that will complete all of the transplanting. Everything's in its permanent home then. All we got to do is get these few seedlings out of the seed propagators and into the bigger pots, this, you know, the brown pots, the regular ones we've been using, and that's everything. It's all ready to rock then. And then we just sunshine, fertilizer, and hopefully lots and lots of chilies. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a wonderful day. We've just come back from the shopping centre, and I say use that term loosely. Been and got all our meat for the weekend, and make sure we've got eggs, because, you know, if you watch this channel enough, it's eggs every day. It's the only protein that I want, and it's the only protein I want to give to me dogs. Local farm eggs. Marvellous. Let's do this. Let's get into day 138. Let's complete this transplant, and let's finish up for the weekend. Thank you all. Let's do this. So first up is a Mirch Masala. It's grown so well, and they're in the cups. And as you can see, well, let's take it out of the cup. Tricky getting them out there. So many roots, look. Completely filled. Definitely ready for an upgrade. So we're just going to fluff the bottom out there. Let these roots expand out into the grow bag. There we go. And in it goes. I'm going to bring some stuff from the sides. We'll get him some water to fill out all those air pockets. But there we have a Mirch Masala from its cup into the 5-gallon grow bag. I have a Scotch Bonnet MOA. It's looking great, and as you can see just around here there are some flower buds there. So it's in this bigger pot, but it definitely needs an upgrade. I think we can do this now. Yep. Lots going on there. Loads of roots. Whatever that is. Right. Let's pop him in. Looking good. Just need some water and fertiliser for the Scotch Bonnet MOA in a 5-gallon grow bag. So we have a Cayenne here, and it's in a very big pot already. Almost in comparison to the 5-gallon grow bag. But I just wanted to change it up. It seems to be, well, it started producing a few flower heads. I have just plucked them. But let's just see. Let's flip him over. See how he's looking. Yep, lovely. Lots of roots already. Got to be careful because I don't want to lose them. There you go, lots along the bottom there. So I think it's going to grow even more. We'll find out. Let's fluff the bottom up. Pop him in. Bring all the soil from the outside. And there we have the Cayenne from a big pot to a 5-gallon grow bag. We have a dream catcher now. I was going to leave this and think this was going to be its final home, but we've got this spare grow bag. Let's give it a try in the bigger pot, shall we? So, it'll be a bit difficult with the pot this size, and I hope there's enough roots in there. There isn't, and it's lost quite a lot of its soil there. Let's clear some of this from the bottom. So, could have spent a lot more time. As you can see, not too many roots going on, but for now, as we made the decision and all of the soil has pretty much collapsed around it, there we go. So for now, it's inside the 5-gallon grow bag. Let's see if it grows anymore. Let's see if it survives. Time will tell on the tree. So here we have a mystery. This was from our mystery free seeds. It was given us by Red Dragon Seeds. It's done really well. What is it? I don't know. So let's find out. It's growing well. I think it will have filled out this pot, but it hasn't. It actually hasn't done too much. There's a little bit of roots on the side. Nothing too much. Look, let's break the bottom down a little bit. Just see how far along it is. Okay, we're starting to see some roots now. There we go, a few at the bottom there. So only about half of the pot thickness. So we'll pop him in and we'll just see what happens. But there we have the mystery, looking very small in its 5-gallon grow bag. Let's see if it grows at all. Let's see if it survives. Let's see what it produces. We'll know in the future. So there we've got the Cayenne, the Dreamcatcher, the Mirch Masala, the Cayenne, and the mystery. So that's it. The grow bags are completed. 50 grow bags, all outside, all occupied with the chili plant. Let's see how things go. So that wraps up the day, everybody. Thank you all so much for joining us. You take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful week, a great Friday and a great weekend. And tomorrow we're going to be transplanting that mystery, these Ghost and Carolina Reapers into the regular pots. Same with those Mirch Masalas. And those few bigger pots we got today, I'm going to be transplanting the bigger Mirch Masalas. So everything will be upgraded as big as possible. And yeah, everything will be ready then for the season. Don't need to do any more shifting around, no more soil delays. Everything's all ready to rock. So thank you all so much for joining us. Have yourselves a wonderful week. Make sure you take care of me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Thanks again, everybody. You take care. We'll see you tomorrow. See you Saturday. Thank you. Bye-bye.